Sounding good in Maine. Right back at you, 274. You take care. Sounding good at 10. 122 Maine. Back out. Bye-bye.
Money or learn to pay attention.
Just making it because I am Miami Beach Bum.
Roger D. You see, you ain't even paying attention. 10-4. Miami Beach Bum is out in Miami. I'm in Staten Island, New York City. And, he's texting me how I'm stepping on everybody's grass. Roger? As far as ego, it ain't about ego, my friend. It's about what I know I'm doing. Ego ain't got nothing to do with it. Walkie, talkie, they call me Ninja 396 as I chop up the frequency. Break up, gone.
Audio.
You rip this guy up. Well, you gotta pay more attention. What's up, Steve? Yeah, he's texting me, bro. He's texting me. He's happy. He's listening. He just can't keep up info.
Ryu. Enjoy the show, officer.
018-018-018. Your friend in 10. Davis.
Roger. I love when people come out here and talk out of ignorance. Let's
122 Maine.
constant bullshit. 10-4. That's my CB enjoyment. Roger. That's why I spend my money. That's why I sound the way I do. That's why I can do what I can do. Walkie, talkie, gone.
How about it, Miami Beach Bum?
Hey, Beach Bum, TRINATRON9,
Forget about Brooklyn. Audio. I tell you what. On Pistol, New York video game rolling. On Pistol Rip, New York video game rolling. I'm back quiet.
How about that 913? You got a copy on McGilla Gorilla, New York City.
Rogers, I'm just sitting here smoking myself a hand-rolled finer tobacco product and thinking to myself, just sitting and thinking to myself, wondering how ignorance gets so high up in the air, and I still can't get there. Walkie-talkie said, crush, 10-4, gone.
Where's that 20?
Hello, DX Land. Screwdriver around Connecticut's waiting.
Sounding good coming out of there.
Hello, up there, screwdriver around Connecticut, 445, back here in Mississippi, waving.
465, North Central Maine.
Don't jump, it's not worth it. Hey, yo, Trent, you catch the last one?
Yeah, nobody, how you got my breaker. You look laid up like a Christmas tree there. You can't get any more white wood.
Hello, out there, screwdriver around Connecticut, 445, Mississippi, waving.
Everybody better watch out. Everybody watch out. 445, online, and another superhero out here. 10-4. I got a DX red.
All right, screwdriver, hey, you sounded good. That walkie-talkie up there around Colin Island, he's freaking loud. But screwdriver, I heard you in there when he unkeyed 445, letting you know.
Yeah, somebody can step down there.
Break. Break up. Let me try and get that 10 pound of noise out of your radio. Let me try and get that 10 pound of noise. Come on,
And then one grandson.
crush.
Well, you out of nobody. Sounding good up here in the Northeast. You say you're out of Georgia, nobody? Roger, Roger. Sounding good up here in Maine, no doubt. Just want to bump it down. See where you're at. I've definitely got a big O hammer up here.